Okay, I'm going to start now. Good morning, all of you. I, Vaishali Sharma, am heading Maths Department in Cambridge Co-Ed. On behalf of whole Cambridge Co-Ed family and Maths Department, I welcome you all in this mathematical webinar. I hope all of you are safe at your places in the present COVID-19 pandemic times. I know you people are far from us. We can't interact you that much as we do in the regular classes times. So that's why we organized this session for all of you, so that you can make a better decision amongst the two levels of mathematics. And the two levels of mathematics, all of you know that one is the standard one, another is the basic one. So let's begin with the presentation. Yes, change the slide, Kamini ma'am, please.
Yes.
Okay. So all of us are very well aware that mathematics is a very important thing for all of us. It is important for our future. It is important for so many areas which we are going for, right? It is important in day-to-day life, right? So it is very important to maintain a balance between the equations of lives also. So objective of learning mathematics and objective of today's webinar is to develop mathematical curiosity in all of you, problem solving skills we want to develop in all, and we want you to make aware about so many things which CBSE is offering to the students to pursue for their higher educations, right? So I hope we'll fulfill that. Let's move on. I hope everybody is very well aware that CBSE has offered two levels of mathematics to the grade 10 students. One is the standard mathematics with the code of 041. Another one is the basic mathematics with the code of 241. So a student need to make a choice between these two. He has to choose one of the two. Now query arises, it may arise in anybody's mind that what is the difference between the two then? Is there any difference between the study material? Is there any difference between the books, teacher? No, there is no such thing. Same topics will be there and they will be taught in the same manner. Students will be sitting in the same class. Same teachers will be provided to them, to the whole section. All standard and basic level students will be sitting in the same class. Teacher is going to teach them with the same manner. She's going to deal the same sort of extra questions, same material she is going to provide to the students. Then where is the difference? Difference lies only in the final exam of a child. Internal assessments are same. If we are going to conduct some activity, that is same for both standard and basic students. Stay on the previous slide, Kamini ma'am. Yes. So in the 2021, CBSE has offered these two levels. In 2020, children have appeared for these two levels once. They have experienced all those things, and we have also experienced that how to prepare the children. So it is all about to create your abilities and aptitudes to that level. If you have chosen basic, right? So that means you will do something little low than the standard one. But it's not like that you are not going to do that much hard work which standard people are doing. Actually, CBSE is targeting the students in a same manner, right? CBSE is targeting that students should have the same level of learning. Only the final exams are going to be different, right? So just make a note of this thing. Your internal assessments, your first term, your pre-boards, your activities, everything will remain same. Only difference is there only that your final exams are different, right? And don't forget the code also. Basic is 241 and standard is 041. Let's move on to the next slide, Kamini ma'am. So yes, I told you all that there is a difference in setting of the question paper by CBSE. That is a basic difference which CBSE is forwarding to us. They are putting and they are creating a kind of a taxonomy for setting up the question paper only. So this is how the question paper will be set.
So if I talk about the remembering and understanding area, so for basic mathematics students, they have 60 marks paper out of this criteria, and standard mathematics students will have 43 marks paper under this criteria. And if I go with the applying area, so basics math students will have 12 marks from this area and paper, and standard mathematics students will have 19 marks paper from this area. And if I go with the higher order thinking questions, so the standard mathematics students have to work more harder in this area because they have a more weightage of this area, 18 marks, whereas the basic mathematics students have to work little less, that is 8 marks to 8 marks.
Okay. So children, still, I think you people are very well aware about the things I told you all, that there are 2 levels of mathematics. One is basic, 241, another is standard, that is 041. But I know, we all know this, that there can be few FAQs, frequently striking questions, I must say, which can strike to your mind. So these questions you people can ask in the chat box also. Now I'm giving this to Kamini ma'am. She'll explain these things to you. But side by side, you people can ask your questions in the chat box if you want to. So over to you, Kamini ma'am.
Thank you, Vishali ma'am.
Just
a minute. Okay, students. So Vishali ma'am has cleared your many things to you. Few questions must be coming to your mind. If such and such thing happens, what did you need to do? So the first question comes to a student's mind is, basic maths is easier than the standard maths. Then why should a student opt for a standard maths? This is the first question comes to a student's mind while choosing between the two, that which one to opt for, because everyone goes for the easier option. So the thing is, you have to opt for standard if you have planned for the entrance exams like IIT, JEE, NDA, even if you want to join the civil services, or if you want to go for any field in the engineering, civil, mechanical, aeronauticals, any field, you need to choose the standard maths. So it means that your choice now makes your future bright. So you have to plan accordingly.
So now, I'm sorry to say, Kamini ma'am, I add one thing.
Yes,
if you want to go for any of these, then it is compulsory for you to go with the standard maths. If you have plans for any of these things in your mind, that I want to go for IITs, I want to go for any field of engineering, I want to go for NDA, SAT, CAT, I want to clear, right? So for that, it is compulsory for you to go for the standard one. Go on, Kamini ma'am.
So now, looking at these fields, you must be thinking then what is left for the basic maths. That's the question comes to your mind. So it's not so that all the fields are for the standard maths only. Even if you are opting for the standard math, basic maths, it's not that you don't have any future. Most of the students think if we opt for the basic maths, then we don't have a bright future. It's not so. There are many fields which you can go for while opting the basic maths. Earlier, it was that if you opt for the basic maths in grade 10, in grade 11, there was a problem with you that you have to go for the standard maths itself in grade 11. So you were not allowed to opt for the maths in grade 11. But now CBSE has done a very good thing for you all. If you opt for the basic maths or even for the standard maths in grade 10, you can opt for the applied mathematics. This is an optional subject for grade 11. You can apply for the applied mathematics, and then accordingly you can decide for your futures. There are many streams to choose from: BBA, BCA, Bank PO, ISET, ICAW, so many. Even the actuarial sciences, the new field from the last few years. This is the added field in the higher studies. Even the PCB students earlier used to opt for the standard maths. Now they can opt for the applied mathematics for the super medical stream. Yes,
yes. So this is a very good option for medical students who earlier were going in super medical, they were taking standard maths. Standard maths is also having the equal difficulty which they are doing in biochemistry and physics, which they are facing in all these subjects. So it was like a burden for PCB students, for medical students. But now CBSE has offered this applied mathematics, which is actually going to satisfy all the needs of these fields which you people are going to choose with. If you are going to fill the bank PO paper, you need to prepare for it, right? You need to go for the tuitions, you need to go for the coaching centers. But now if you have done applied mathematics, this is a mathematics which is offering you all the kind of things. Like it is involving the inscription things. Inscription is used for like coding and decoding of things. Like the people who create ATM pins are doing inscription, and inscription is the topic which is there in applied mathematics. There are things like modular arithmetic, in which you are again going to do the things related to mensuration. You can do the work done questions which are there in PO exams also. There are actuarial sciences also. Actuarial sciences are more related to the statistical studies, probability. Actually, it is giving you opportunity to have mathematical experience in which you can apply in the various fields you want to go for. So this is a very good option which CBSE is offering. They want to keep, actually they are targeting that they want to keep students in touch with mathematics so that they can apply that knowledge of mathematics in the various fields they are going to opt for in their future. So it is a very good option for the students if you want to go for it. And the basic student, which has taken the basic in grade 10 and standard in grade 10, can go for this applied maths option in grade 11, right? So go on, Kamini ma'am.
Okay. So I hope student is clear for you that standard mathematics is especially for the students who are going for the pure mathematics fields in future. So you have to decide accordingly. So after this, the next question comes to every student's mind is, a student if appears for the basic exam, or even if a student registered for a basic exam, but later wish to appear for the standard exam.
Yes, you can appear for the standard mathematics layers, but at the time of compartment examination. Suppose you have registered for the basic exam in this year, in this 2020, and at the last of the in January or February, when we have sent all the information to the CBSE, and then you are saying that we want to change our option, then that would not be possible, bache. But if you want to give standard mathematics later, then you can give with the students of compartments, with compartment examination. Okay, beta. So I have already explained that if you have appeared for the basic maths but wishes to appear for the standard maths, so here CBSE has given relaxation to you. After declaration of result, you can give standard mathematics exam at the time of compartment.
The next is, what if I fail in the exam? First of all, we as a teacher, we never supposed to fail in any exam. Our best wishes is always with you. But if someone fail in the exam, then there is an option which CBSE has provided to you. If you have taken 10 in the 10th as a basic maths, then you have to clear your compartment paper for the basic. But if you have taken the standard in your 10th class, and if you have a compartment in maths, now it's your option. You can take standard maths and you can take the basic maths as a compartment test.
So it's a kind of a flexibility which CBSE has provided to all of you, right? So I hope no one will come to this situation. All of you will score very good in your exam.
Everybody, Vaishali, can I speak for some time?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. And ma'am, please make them that much comfortable that they can ask their questions.
They better see me then. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, it was a wonderful session. Quite a few things were very clear. I'm sure you don't have many doubts. But still, children, remember one thing, even if you have the slightest doubt, clarify it now, because once you've opted for it, it goes for the registration. You know, after that, you cannot change. Then the only option that you have is that you appear for basic and later you appear for standard when the compartment students would be appearing. So the only choice, if you want to upgrade it from basic to standard, would be that you appear for the compartment. And in case you are somebody who could have done with basic, but you've opted for standard, in that case, you will have to, you know, literally, I would say that work hard enough to clear the standard, because then you would not have a choice. Okay. So
True.
if you have the slightest doubt, don't think it, people will just think that he didn't follow or she didn't follow this little point also. No inhibitions, clarify it now. And when you're filling the consent form, you've seen there's an option for parents. I would appreciate if both the parents sign it, and kindly don't sign for your parents, or don't make one parent sign for both. It hardly takes 30 seconds to put your signatures, you know, that too if you have very long signatures. Otherwise, not even 30 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds.
Because
right?
Father and mother can also think in a different way for you all. Right?
Yes.
So you just need to sit together and make a wise decision. And you have to decide for your future perspective also, that what I want to opt in +1. And keeping that in mind, just go for standard and basic, right?
And clarify all these doubts, all these things, whatever ma'ams have told you, to your parents as well. I'm sure you've noted down the important things, because that was required. If you haven't, you can ask your maths teachers. They'll give you the important tips, okay, once again. But kindly make sure you note everything down. And when you make the choice, you just make the perfect choice for yourself, okay? And please don't have any inhibitions that I'm around, because I am there only to clarify your doubts. I am not there for anything else. Okay, just in case there are any other doubts related to CBSE, maybe not maths, otherwise, then I'm there for that in this webinar. And it had been long, I had not interacted with you all. So you had to see my face after so long.
So
that's how mothers are.
So children, yes.
Okay.
Gloria want to ask.
Mother, I say.
Gloria has raised her hand. Kamini ma'am, please unmute Gloria. Can I unmute her?
Yes, you unmute yourself. You can also.
Okay. Okay, I'll unmute her because no, I cannot, Kamini ma'am, because I don't have that thing with me.
Just a minute.
You are the host. Yes, please unmute Gloria. Gloria, please type your question in the chat box if you can.
Gloria, you can unmute yourself now, beta. Unmute yourself. I've given the permission here.
Okay,
okay,
she can.
Ma'am,
okay, yes.
Gloria, unmute yourself, beta.
Again, unmute yourself, Gloria, by mistake. Yes. Yes, Gloria.
Ma'am, if we go for commerce with maths, then there's an option we choose applied maths or simple maths.
Yes, there is an option for you that you can go with the applied one or you can go with the standard one, right? But applied is offering a lot for the commerce students, I must say.
And the main thing is she, I think, is confused because she said applied maths or the basic simple maths. Applied is the simpler maths.
Applied is the basic one.
Pure maths.
And another,
yes, pure maths. Okay.
Standard. Yeah, standard is standard from 10th. It is standard in +1. It is standard in +2 also. But the basic becomes applied in +1. Why it's called applied? I told you all, I have given so many examples of it. Because in the applied maths, they have included topics like calendar reading. They have included topics like how to do the questions based on clocks, how to do the questions based on time work done questions, which you people are unable to do in after your +2, because you people have done those questions in your grade 6 or 7. So you people find some people that somebody should explain us those things again. There is ratio and proportion again, mensuration again in applied, which you people can use in your bank exams, which you people can use in the different exams you'll be appearing for after your +2. There is integration, differentiation. Let me clear you. There is an integration, differentiation, which are the topics in +2 also. +1, +2, which is there in the standard one. 60 to 65% syllabus is same. But they have created a 25% in such a manner that people should have that much mathematical experience, which they can apply in their different fields which they are going to opt. Email ID. Please note down this email ID. I repeat again, mathsquared@gmail.com. You can write us on that. Any query comes to your mind while doing discussion with your friends, with your peers, with your parents. So you can post that query to us on MathSquared, and it's sure that we'll answer your query. Thank you so much to each one of you for making this session more informative and more you can say clear to you, so that you can make a good choice between the two. I hope it has fulfilled all the requirements for which we have planned this session for all of you. Thank you so much.